Let's try heating up that wire. Maybe I have to heat up this bullet again, but I don't want to. So I'm just gonna. Show me the smoke. Right, I think that's connected. Let's add more solder. Okay, that looks good. I'm just going to add more solder to the wire. Keep up the connection. The wire should be hot, so I shouldn't have a problem adding solder to it. Right. Let's see if this grip works. That is a solid connection. We'll see if I can't add this to it. That looks like that worked, and that's a solid connection.